Hi everybody, welcome back to another weekly craft video. My name is Miss Tori and I'm here in the Whitewater Public Library's Makerspace. This week we have a new craft for kids. We are going to be making a Flappy bat. It's like a little bat puppet. He's got a string on the back, you pull it and he flaps his wings. So these are super cute. You can come to the library Monday, October 25th at 4:30. Do this craft with me and some other kids here at the library. But if you can't make it to craft time, that's okay. Stop by the library between October 25th and October 30th. Pick up your craft kit to go and follow along with this video. Let's get started. Alrighty, so in our kit we are going to get a little set of instructions, a little bat, a string, a popsicle stick, a couple metal closures, a little sticky piece, and 2 bat wings. At home, all you need is something to color your bat with. So just grab some markers, some colored pencils, some crayons, whatever you have will work. First things first, you want to color your bat. And now we're ready to assemble. So I flip my bat around and I'm going to put a string through the 2 inner holes on his wings. So each wing has 2 sets of holes. We want to put our string through the center ones, the ones that are more towards the middle of the bat. I'm going to put that through there. Put this one through there. Alrighty, and now I'm just gonna leave that right now. I'm not gonna tie it yet. Grab your metal pieces. And I'm going to stick the longer metal piece through the hole on my bat and through the other hole on his wing, just like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So now we've got the string through the center holes and the metal pieces are coming through the outer holes on his wings. And now we can secure them by putting on the little metal closures on the back. Like that. They just pop right on. Oops. Pop this one on. All right, awesome. Now his wings are held in place by these metal pieces. And I want one end of my string to hang down a little bit so I can use it to pull on the wings. So I'm just going to pull one side a little bit longer than the other, just like that. And now I can tie a knot right here. I'll just do a double knot. So 1, 2 knots, and pull that knot tight. There we go. So when you pull on that string, his wings flap up and down, just like that. Now we want to attach the popsicle. So you just grab this little foam piece right here. One side is sticky. Just peel off the plastic backing there. Place your popsicle stick right in the center, in the lower part of his body, and use the foam sticky piece to cover it, just like that. And now we have our Flappy bat. Thanks for watching this video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this craft activity. Please share your photos with us on social media or through email. We love to see your completed projects. Bye!
Find us at 431 West Center Street, Whitewater, Wisconsin 53190. Our current hours are Mondays through Thursdays from 9 a.m. to 8:30 p.m., Fridays from 9 a.m. through 5:30 p.m., Saturdays from 9 a.m. through 3 p.m., and Sundays we are closed. To keep up to date, add us on social media. And for more information, please visit our website at www.whitewaterlibrary.org or our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/ILYPL.